on? You guys hear me? Okay, great. All right, so who's ready for our next speaker? We're going to be talking about the theme that is just sweeping the whole ecosystem with Davide Crapis, who runs our decentralized AI team, DAI, and his talk is going to be Ethereum for AI. So let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you. Hi. I'm going to talk about Ethereum for AI. So first, what's the vision of Ethereum and AI? Ethereum is going to be the decentralized settlement and coordination backbone for machines in the machine economy, with humans at the center. So I think this part is very important. You'll see throughout my talk that we have kind of two pillars. We want machines to use Ethereum, but we want to keep humans at the center with their sovereignty and also like governance and keep power in the age of AI. So Ethereum for AI really means Ethereum for humans here. And as I said, like we want humans to have agency, ownership, and control in this age. So why now? Essentially, like we want Ethereum to be this settlement layer, but it's only as valuable as the amount of economic activity that settles on it. And AI is proliferating around the world. We are using it more and more. Everyone in society is using it more and more. So like, if we don't build for like this new technology, then we risk reduced relevance in this world, right? And why now? So this is funny. I'm quoting like a blog post that I wrote actually in March 2024. Yeah, it's almost 2 years ago. And it was called like the Internet of Agents, right? Like I was talking about like how bots are going to transact with one another, and like back then it seemed futuristic, right? But if you fast forward to today, we have like ERC 8004 live on Ethereum, and then the same week we had the OpenClaw kind of madness. So people are seeing that like this future is not actually that far, and like these bots are already demanding block space. So as I said, we have two pillars. One is like decentralized AI coordination. What does it mean? We want to use the blockchain like for discovery and trust. We want to like add like privacy, anonymity to API calls. We want to facilitate bots hiring bots. Staking, new security model, negotiations, smart contract commitments, and other like financial primitives. And then finally, we can have DAOs, right? Like we can have like small groups of swarms of agents that organize, and we can keep governing them. The other area is Crapis AI. This is like censorship resistant, open source, private and secure AI. This is something that the mainstream AI is not working on. And this is very aligned with like the values we have for Ethereum, right? So we kind of want to both like bring AI to like enhance Crapis in Ethereum, and then also like build the tools for like a more like user empowering AI stack, right? And this is local AI. Is like using AI for like improving Ethereum UX of wallets. But also like actually using AI to like make the protocol better and more secure, right? So we have some projects and some RFPs on AI security auditors, protocol research agents, better governance tooling. And then this is a bit futuristic, but there is already some POCs in the market of like decentralized AI compute, training, and markets like that. So how are we making Ethereum the best platform for AI? So at the EF, we have a dedicated AI team, which I lead, which collaborates with like the privacy teams, the security teams, and the ecosystem teams. And then there is recently there's been like a lot of alignment on the AI roadmap of our team, which is very exciting. And then in the ecosystem, like through ERC 8004, which I will show, like we are engaging all the best projects. We are collaborating with Austin and the builder engagement inside the EF to bring like new young students, builders in the ecosystem. And then we are also working with leading AI organizations and researchers, and you'll see more works come out from our team this year on this. So here I'm showing kind of a diagram in Vitalik style of the protocol roadmap of our team. So there is two areas. One is AI coordination. We have ERC 8004 identity and reputation registry, which is live on Ethereum mainnet and on many other chains. And then we have a few projects. One is on X402 trustless discovery, and then a lot of like layer 2 infra for 8004 that people are building. On the privacy and security, we have like a new TE attestation standard that we'll use in 8004 validation, which will go live in a couple of months. And then we have this new project on zk-LLM credits that we started working together with people from the PSC team at the EF and also some external contributors. And then there is a few other projects which are more security focused and UX focused. So just a snapshot on what's happening with ERC 8004 today. Like it's live on 20 plus chains. There is hundreds of projects that are building on it. Like many of them are building infrastructure, but there is already like between 50 and 100 agents, which are very useful. There is like thousands of active builders. We have like 4 scanners that focus on different parts of like this new like bot economy. There is a very interesting project that just came out last week. It's called SIWA, Sign In with Agent. It's kind of a variation on Sign In with Ethereum that leverages the ERC 8004 registries. There is obviously all the work that Austin has been doing with like ETHskills.md, like including like 8004 between the standards supported. I put the mascot of Austin's clone tag bot. And then you cannot see very well, but like I was showing like a few of the APIs, a few of the agent services that are available on 8004. We're also working with engaging like universities and especially AI researchers. Here, like we put out 2 RFP, like together with Sham, Theo, and the academic secretariat at the EF. One is about AI-powered protocol security, both like design of specs and auditing. And the other one is on like something that I'm very excited about, is essentially like using smart contract to do automated negotiation and mechanism design between bots. I feel that like this will be actually like a big application on the chain going forward as this agentic commerce takes off. So then there is also collaboration between like the AI and the privacy team. As I said, we have this new proposal that is out. We are actually already implementing POCs. We have one out, and we're also looking to collaborate with like vendors, both LLM APIs, but also RPCs and other type of APIs that are interested in deploying like a private payment solution. So reach out to me directly if you're interested in collaborating, or you can check the ETH research spec. Yeah, and finally, like how are we doing all this? We have the DI team at the EF, but we also have like the 8014, which is made from people with people from the EF, as well as from like other projects in the ecosystem, plus many other contributors. So this is kind of like a shared effort. There is more people building in AI on Ethereum. There is more people excited about AI, and we kind of want to work with everyone and trying to coordinate and make Ethereum, as I said, like the best settlement layer for this new technology. Yep, and with that, I'm done. I'm leaving a few links. One is 8004.org. That's where you can see everything that is happening, and you can also join the group. And then ai.ethereum.foundation is where we publish all our research and all the updates for the broader AI team efforts. And you can find me at Davide Crapis on all the main socials and like messaging if you need to reach out directly. Thank you.